thing is I didn't have cell phone service. And
yeah, you get out here, you don't gonna have crap.
You're lucky to get much of anything out here.
All right, welcome to Backwoods Florida Adventures. Today we're out. I'm letting my brother drive the new Toyota, and we got out here and we found some kind of hikers that were kind of exhausted and didn't know how to make it back to their vehicle. So we're gonna take them back because
God sent them to us.
That's
Thank you.
Because that's the way we are. Not gonna leave anybody out here. So yeah, we're gonna take care of them, drop them off because we don't have that much to do today except a lot of other stuff in the garden. But yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful spring day, but it's getting really hot, like 85 degrees right now. So they got a little bit hot and stuff. So anyway, we're gonna take it back. So, and I would encourage any of you guys that are out in the woods and find that same situation, go ahead and help somebody out, you know. Go ahead and help them out, you know. It's if you can, you got time, go ahead and do it. So we'll see you next time.